It's a second attempt to remove Downer from this particular trial. I wonder if you can just remind us of the circumstances around why the first attempt didn't work.
Well, indeed, the former president, that's Mr. Jacob Zuma, has been trying, to have State Prosecutor Advocate Billy Downer removed from his fraud and corruption trial. The basis for that particular application, is that according to former President Jacob Zuma, Advocate Billy Downer is not fit and proper, to be leading the prosecution team in his fraud and corruption trial. Of course, accusing him of, bias and, of breaking the NPA Act with regards to that, court documents which he was alleged to have, leaked to the media. But of course, there was a judgment clearing him on those bases. But this fresh application, has to do with the fact that the State Prosecutor now, Advocate Billy Downer, could be facing a criminal trial with regards to the private prosecution that has been instituted by the former president. So his legal team essentially saying that Advocate Billy Downer is not a fit and proper person, to be leading this prosecution team, even going as far as to say that former President Jacob Zuma would not get a fair trial if Advocate Billy Downer is indeed, leading the prosecution team. But of course, the NPA has been time and time again, saying that the current prosecutor, which is Advocate Billy Downer, is a fit and proper person, and the judgments which have been, delivered, challenging rather his stature as the prosecutor, have sort of, gone to that extent to say that he does in fact have the title to prosecute, and that's where the matters are. And we're expecting today that Judge Nkosinathi Chili will hand down that particular judgment with regards to former President Jacob Zuma's latest bid to have State Prosecutor Advocate Billy Downer removed from his fraud and corruption case. But in terms of what is happening outside the court, nothing much. We haven't seen any of former President Jacob Zuma's supporters, as it would normally be the case around this time. And also, we have not seen his security detail, which normally comes before, he arrives here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. But of course, we don't know as yet if he will be physically here. But what we can confirm is that we've seen the lawyers are representing former President Jacob Zuma in the name of Advocate Masuku, who has also arrived here in court a short while ago,